Hello, everyone. What industry do you think is currently being hit hardest by the COVID 19 pandemic? If you said tourism, then you're right. Our team is aware of this unprecedented impact on tourism and wants to help. Using the B2C2C business model, we present a new way of tourism during and after Corona.
As United Nations indicated, the world's travel in 2020 are expected to fall significantly from 1.1 billion to 850 million. There are over 200 million tourism workers in the world, in such services as airlines, bullet trains, ships, travel agencies. As a result, persons are at risk of losing their jobs, and many may have already lost theirs.
COVID 19 is both a global threat and an opportunity for change. While the traditional travel business is breaking down, we think that it is a natural process that an alternative business will start up.
The solution we propose is a B2C2C web application platform that brings together people who want to travel and people who offer travel and want to sell local products. The facilitator pre-lists the travel plans it can offer on the platform. The traveler orders a destination that he or she wants to experience from the application, and if the facilitator accepts that order, the matching is complete. On the day of the event, the facilitator will provide the traveler with a tour through live distribution. For the live distribution, the facilitator uses the equipment we have prepared. It will continue the tour from the viewpoint just as if they were traveling. During the tour, if you have a place or product you want to see or a shop you want to drop by, you can do so by letting the guide know. This is the advantage of C2C.
For monetization, we have a system in which a traveler pays a fee for each guide. In addition, there is a custom and a normal plan. While the custom plan offers real-time communication with the guide and goes wherever you want to, the normal plan provides pre-recorded videos. It is a subscription model per month basis and offers unlimited viewership. From both plans, we get 20 to 30% as the platform usage charge. In addition, for post-COVID times, we envision individual real plan tours. These needs will be valuable data in the future travel industry. For that reason, we also plan to advertise the travel industry on the platform.
And in this platform, it's important to properly design the experience the traveler can obtain and the experience provided by the facilitator. It is important for travelers to be able to see places from a first person's perspective. In the experience provided by the facilitator, the way to work will change. Although they have a good skill at providing tours, it is important to properly support this. Also, the guarantee from the C2C format to travel providers will become important. Through our idea, we hereby present a new way of sharing a rich travel experience, at the same time offering a new way of emerging through the pandemic together. Happy virtual traveling!